What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the channel. I hope everyone's having a good day today. Welcome to another Farming Simulator 22 video. So as you can see, we are here on this piece of property that I own, and I made a video about getting a different piece of property, which is basically like up in the woods up there, if you can see my cursor on your screen. So what I have to do here is get ready to sell everything. Not everything, but I'll probably keep most of this stuff, and then I'll probably downsize my trailer and grind that stump over here, get ready, and I'll sell the house, and then I gotta sell the piece of property. So I gotta get everything off the piece of property, and then we can sell it and buy the other property. Get all these pieces of wood out of here. So I think the property I'm on now is worth about 300 or so thousand. So that should give us plenty of money to buy that other piece of land that I want. So what I'm gonna do is go take this load in to sell, so I can get rid of all this wood and unload the truck and trailer, so I can load up all these attachments for the tractor. And then we'll go get a different trailer. Whoops. I forgot I have super strength on. So I'll go take this. Watch out, dog. Alright, we're at the lumber mill, or sawmill, whatever you want to call it. Sell off this wood as soon as we get 4,000 bucks, not bad. So I'm gonna bring you all back in once I sell this trailer, get back to the property, and I can start clearing everything out. So I'll see you in just a minute. Alright, and we are back at the property. So as you can see, I got a little bit smaller trailer. You'll see why I chose to do that here in a minute. Well, let's get in our tractor and get rid of these stumps. If I can get into it. Super strength on it's a little finicky with getting into vehicles for some reason. So we have two stumps we have to get rid of. Alright, there's one. And I don't know if I'll be able to get that stump over there because it's like right on the end of the map, so it's like doesn't really work that well. I can't even get the tree out of there that I cut down. There's a thick stump. There we go. Sure I got it all. Think we're all good there. Load this thing up, hopefully it fits. Yeah, the other trailer I had, it also didn't have ramps. The back didn't open up. Also be perfect. Let's get this in there. Put it up against the front of the trailer. And then I could put probably the bucket in there. See if it'll fit. No, it's gonna be too wide. Let's try this one then. This one should fit. Okay, there's that. Then we can hop in this truck and close this thing up. Then see if I can manage to get to the back of the truck. That'll work. This one. So I'm not even sure yet if this thing works. We'll have to test that out. There's that. Then we'll have to come back for this trailer. I can't tow it at the same time, obviously. Actually, I think I can. Wait a second. Yeah, put the hitch on the back. Let's see if I can hook up to it. At least tow it down to the bottom of the road, because I don't know if I'll be able to tow both the trailers up the road at the same time. I don't know if it's gonna work. Right on it. Well, that's not gonna work. I think we're good here. So I'll have to come back for that, sell the house, sell the dog house. So I can do those right now. Actually, I need to be in this menu. Sell this. Sell this. There's a piece of wood right here we can grab. So we'll need that to stay warm up in the mountains. One piece of wood. Back for the trailer. Alright. Let's head on down the road. Come on. I actually wanted to drive up there too and check out the property a little bit, because there's 3 different plots that I'm wanting. So I'm not sure which one I want first, because there's a plot where I want to build my house to start off with, and there's plots I want to expand, and obviously I want to get the plot that I'm going to build my house on first. That's all I'm going to have enough money for. So here's the road right here. Actually, you know what? I'm just gonna drop this trailer right here for now. What do you mean while folding? There we go. Oh, that's not good. Sorry about that. This way we'll have everything off the property, sell the property, and we'll drive right up. Only problem with this trailer is the front, like, jack to lift the trailer up and off and down. Up and down off of the ball. Man, I had a stroke there for a second. The hang's really low for some reason, so it drags, so some of the dips in the road, because the road's dirt, might cause some issues, but we'll see. Whoops. Not meaning to hit it that hard. Fold this thing up. So you can see it's pretty low. Yeah, I think it's dragging on the road right now. Alright, I'm gonna attempt to take this up this dirt road. See how it goes. Hopefully it doesn't get caught up too much. Yeah, but you'll see here in a minute while I sold the long dump trailer for the turns and stuff like these ones. Getting in between these trees and around these corners would be really difficult. You know, so far so good with this trailer though. I didn't speak too soon. Struggling a little bit, but Come on. Yeah, I found this property the other day and I figured it'd be perfect for a cabin, like off-grid little house type of thing. Let's give it a tight turn with that tree right there. Oh, we're good. I guess these corners aren't as bad, but I still like that other trailer we bought instead of the old one. Alright, so here's about where I want to buy the property. It's at the end of the road up here. So basically, I'll probably make a road that goes around here. I have to figure out where to put this trailer though. Without jackknifing. Come on. So I'm trying to build the house like right out here somewhere. There's tons of trees and forest work that I'm gonna have to do. So I think I'm gonna just leave this trailer like right here for now. And then I'm gonna go get the other trailer, but I'll bring you all back in once I'm on my way back up. So I'll see you in a minute. Alright, welcome back. And this one should be a little easier since the trailer is actually meant for something like this. And the load should be fine with the walls. Should be easier as well because the trailer is a little shorter. As long as we don't dump it over. Yeah, once we get this trailer up there, I'm gonna sell our other property and then try and figure out which plot I want to buy. I like this road too though. I'm surprised I've never seen it before. Let me know down in the comments down below if you guys have been up here yet on Chainsawvalley. Let's see, I think I'm gonna make this thumbnail actually. Sorry about that. Moving on. I like the sound of this truck too, it sounds so good. I think it would be cool as well to do a, like build a little campsite or like recreational area where these benches are. Like tents up and stuff. Alright, in this trailer, I think I'm just gonna put right into the trees right here. Alright, oh, that's a tree. And then let's look at our... What's going on here? There we go. So I own this plot up here in the top right corner. So I can get 351,000 for it, so I'll do that. Oh, I own this one too. Sick. Okay. Another 47K. So we have plenty of money. So these are the 4 plots. Actually, 3. 3 plots right here that I want to buy, but gotta figure out because there was a certain spot where I wanted to build a house. It's either, let's see here. So this is the tower. And I'm thinking the house is going to go like right here. Okay, so yeah, we'll buy this $307,000 one. It should be good. So now I own this plot of land, and let's see here. We need to get a little building up, which I think I'm gonna skip on that for now, or maybe a shed. No, I'm gonna skip on that for now because I want to do like a kind of realistic roleplay setup on here. So I'm gonna add like a couple mods that have tents or like a bum house or something. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Oh, before we leave, let's just take a moment of silence and listen to these woods. Man, it actually sounds so realistic, like with the wind blowing through the trees and the animals and stuff. And I'm sure that we'll see like deer and stuff up here. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to subscribe, like, and comment, and we'll see you on the next one. Have a good day.